All right, well, we're marching on. Chapter 10-1, Sequences as Functions. And this is example 3. This is on page 660 in your textbook, where we're asked to find a term. Now, we've established the fact that an arithmetic sequence is a linear function, and therefore it has the characteristics, all the characteristics of a linear function, and such things as slope, a slope-intercept, point slope, all those things that we've learned over the years. And when we're analyzing this, an arithmetic sequence where we have a dependent variable, we have an independent variable, and we have a slope. Now, our slope is going to be determined by the common difference. Now, in this problem right here, let's read this. Geraldo's employer offers him a pay rate of $9 per hour with a 15-cent raise every 3 months. And then we're asked how much will Geraldo earn per hour after 3 years. So we can determine that this is in fact going to be an arithmetic sequence. He starts at 9, and 3 months later he's going to be at 9.15 an hour, and 3 months after that he's going to be at 9.30 an hour. And we could continue that all the way for 3 years and adding 15 cents to his previous pay rate. And we can also use our point slope formula and come up with a slope intercept, and then just plug in how many pay raises he's going to get and come up with an answer as well. So let's think about this. If I think about this as what is the independent variable? Well, the independent variable is going to be his number of raises. And if I think about that, he starts, I could say, okay, well, X, the independent variable when he starts, and we'll call this at the beginning 0, he earns $9 an hour. And so I could say X1 is 0 and Y1 is 9. If you remember point slope, it's Y minus Y1 equals slope times X minus X1. And so let's plug and chug here. So we got Y minus 9 equals, our slope is 0.15 times X minus X1, which is going to be 0. Let me see. I think it's going to probably erase the whole thing. I'm going to try to just write over that 0. All right, so then we got Y minus 9. Maybe it won't do it. Yep, it will. All right, I was at Y minus 9 equals 0.15 X minus 0. And so Y is going to equal 0.15 X plus 9. All right. Now, how many times is he going to get a pay raise? Well, we got 3 years. He's going to get one every 3 months. That means he's going to get 4 pay raises a year. And so 4 times 3 is going to be 12. So he's going to get 12 pay raises a year. I can put that in for X. So F of 12 into this equation is going to give me my answer. So let's see. We got Y equals 0.15 times 12 plus 9. And let's see. 5 times 12. What does 5 times 12 equal? I think it equals $1.80 or 1.80. Y equals 1.80. Somebody might want to check me on that on the calculator. Plus 9. And so after 3 years, Geraldo is going to be making $10.80 per hour. So this is an example here how we can use some of the tools that we've learned concerning slope, particularly point slope, slope intercept, and then solving using our slope formula, Y equals mx plus b. It's not too bad. Or you could just do $9 plus 15 and do that 12 times, since it is an arithmetic sequence. Take your pick.